In the ever-evolving landscape of defense operations, enhancing soldier safety is paramount. Our smart uniform with location tracking is revolutionizing how we protect our troops, integrating advanced IoT technology to ensure real-time situational awareness and safety. Today, we'll delve into the critical need for enhanced soldier safety and real-time tracking, explore the system architecture of our smart uniform solution, understand the data flow and operations, examine real-world applications, and summarize key takeaways and next steps. Maintaining contact with soldiers in high-stakes combat and mission environments is crucial. Traditional communication methods can fail, and manual tracking is often slow and inaccurate, leading to potential mission compromise and safety risks. Our solution addresses these challenges head-on. Our smart uniform system is built on cutting-edge IoT technology, integrating sensors, controllers, cloud infrastructure, communication modules, and actuators to provide real-time situational awareness and enhance soldier safety. Let's take a closer look at the system components. Our sensors include GPS for precise location tracking and motion sensors for movement detection. Controllers process raw sensor data, while communication modules ensure reliable data transmission. Actuators provide immediate alerts for soldier awareness. The cloud infrastructure is the brain of our operation, storing vast amounts of real-time and historical sensor data. It uses AI and ML integration for predictive analytics, enabling automated alerts based on predefined rules, and offers a centralized dashboard for command centers to visualize soldier data. Our system ensures a seamless flow of information from data acquisition to processing, cloud transmission, data analysis, and triggering actuators. This rapid flow enables effective action and insights, crucial for mission success and soldier safety. Imagine a soldier separated during a patrol due to dense fog. Without our smart uniform, manual search is time-consuming and risky. With it, GPS tracking, motion alerts, automated distress signals, and rapid response ensure the soldier's safety and mission success. Our smart uniform offers improved soldier safety, superior situational awareness, optimized coordination, and enhanced search and rescue capabilities. Real-time location tracking and alerts drastically cut down response times and increase success rates, ensuring operational efficiency. The smart uniform addresses critical needs for soldier safety and operational oversight. Our IoT system provides comprehensive solutions, proven in real-world applications. Next steps include implementing pilot programs, tailoring features based on feedback, and planning for scalability. Thank you for your time and interest in our smart uniform with location tracking system. We are excited to answer any questions or provide demonstrations to showcase how this technology can enhance soldier safety and operational efficiency.